Hey guys, so this is another one of Bluetooth educational learning videos, and today we're going to talk about operations with real numbers. And as you saw, the link wasn't working as the others were, like this one. So let's get into our ArcTrade Studio. So 1 second, I guess it's buffering. So today we're going to talk about operations with real numbers. So let's take a look at that. In a moment, don't save for the sake of education. So come on, hurry it up. Okay, for your second time, I paused the video and now it's resuming. And the computer is slower. Okay, so I don't know why I put it on mute. Put it on. Easy ha. Okay, so today we're going to talk about operations with real numbers. What are the 4 basic operations? Well, addition, right? Addition is one of them. Subtraction, multiplication, and division. And there are a lot more operations like exponents, logarithm, and stuff like that, and I'm actually gonna fill in the exponents and logarithms. So let's take a start. Let's say you wanna add 5 plus 2. What do? Well, 0, 1. Well, I mean, I don't think you're that young. So let's say you wanna do 3 minus 5. Can you do it? Yes. Just take a look at the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because why? Our ending number is 5. We could write 6. It's not illegal. We could write 7. We could go on and on. But I just wrote. I'm too lazy to write the rest. And positive infinity here, negative infinity here. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and lastly negative 5. So we begin at the spot 3, positive 3, and the operation is negative. So we pace 5 steps backwards. 1 step backwards, 2 step backwards, 3 step backwards, 4 step backwards, and 5 step backwards, and we end up at negative 2. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. This is actually one of the properties of real numbers, which you can see over here. It's actually in the all of this like adding and subtracting. These types of real numbers are actually in the properties of real numbers video, which should appear here. Yeah, see. So so this topic was not covered in that video, so I just gave you an introduction. So if you have another number like if you have 10 minus 16, let me put that here. 10, 11, 12, and all the way to 16. No, let's get a smaller number. So let's say you were to do 16 minus 17. I mean, let's do something smaller. 1 minus 2. Well, let's take a look. 0, 1, 2, 3. You don't need to write the others. Just go on and on. Dot, dot, dot. Positive infinity. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative, and it goes on and on to negative infinity. So let's do this. We start at 1. Let's start at 1, and we pace 2 steps backwards because the operation is negative. 1 step backwards, 2 step backwards, and we end up at negative 1. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And the rest of the things like negative 5 times negative 5, which is positive 25, are actually covered in the real numbers video. So yeah, that's all. That's all we're gonna discuss in this video. So yeah.
So we have 5 plus 2 would equal the same sum if it was 2 plus 5, right? Because 7 plus 7 equals 6. 7 equals 8. So our next property.
So yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching and see you next time.